Hey there, construction managers. Today I'm going to share how Impressit Solutions is transforming the construction industry right here in Houston. If you're juggling multiple job sites, heavy data usage and tight project timelines, keep listening. This one's for you. In the construction world, reliable IT infrastructure isn't just a bonus, it's a necessity. Every project you manage relies on seamless communication, rock-solid data security and efficient project management. That's where managed IT services like those from Impress IT Solutions come into play. So why are managed IT services essential for construction? Imagine this. You've got teams spread out across remote job sites, and any IT hiccup, from connectivity issues to data breaches, can disrupt everything. You're working with massive amounts of data, from blueprints and CAD files to vendor contracts and regulatory documents. This data needs secure, reliable storage. Managed IT services provide continuous support, allowing you to focus on your projects without worrying about technical disruptions. Impressive. Solutions offers specialized services tailored to the unique needs of the construction industry, letting you operate efficiently and securely. Now, let's dive into how Impressit Solutions supports Houston's construction sector. First up, 24/7 monitoring and support. With Impress, you get round-the-clock technical support. Their proactive approach ensures IT issues are detected and resolved before they escalate. Whether it's a network problem at a remote site or an email outage, Impress keeps your systems running smoothly, minimizing downtime. Next, reliable data storage and backup solutions. Data security and accessibility are crucial. Impress provides robust data backup and secure storage services, protecting your sensitive information like project blueprints and client contracts. This means your teams can access essential documents from anywhere, whether in the office or on site. Then, strong cybersecurity measures. Cyber threats like phishing and ransomware are a constant risk. Impressive. Solutions brings a comprehensive cybersecurity framework to protect you from these threats. With firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and employee training programs, you can stay ahead of cyber risks. Secure cloud and collaboration tools are another game changer. Construction projects require high levels of collaboration. Impress provides secure cloud solutions that let your teams share files, collaborate on project plans, and communicate in real time from any location. This keeps everyone connected and productive, no matter where they're working. Compliance and regulatory support is also critical. Construction companies deal with various data handling regulations, especially for government contracts or sensitive client data. Impress helps you meet these compliance requirements through regular audits and security assessments, avoiding fines and legal issues. And let's not forget cost efficiency and predictability. Managed IT services offer financial benefits too. By outsourcing your IT needs to Impress, you gain access to top-tier technology and expertise without the overhead costs of an in-house IT team. Plus, with predictable monthly pricing, you can manage your IT budget more effectively. So, why choose Impressit Solutions? They understand the construction industry's unique requirements. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, they develop customized IT solutions tailored to your specific challenges. This helps streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve productivity. The construction industry is embracing digital transformation with technologies like IoT sensors, BIM software, and drones for site surveying. Impressit Solutions supports you as you navigate these innovations, providing the infrastructure and security needed to leverage these technologies effectively. Through managed IT services, Impressit Solutions empowers construction companies to stay competitive, adaptable, and secure. By partnering with Impress, you can focus on delivering projects on time and on budget, with an IT foundation that keeps pace with your evolving needs. For construction companies looking to elevate their IT capabilities and reduce the risk of disruptions, Impressit Solutions is the partner that makes all the difference. Thanks for watching.